Hey folks, James Farrer here from BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this lovely 2015 BMW 5 Series 520D SE Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. Up front you notice the BMW LED angel eyes, the BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the front parking sensors, coming around to the side you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, the silver trim coupling the window with the shark fin antenna on top. Coming around to the back you have the BMW 520D badging, the twin exhausts, the automatic boot, just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop right open, and the BMW LED tail lights. Now folks, let's take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, that we're inside, you can see the BMW multifunctional steering wheel. This car is kitted with a sports mode, comfort mode and an eco pro mode. Also on board are 360 degree parking sensors, the automatic transmission, the BMW iDrive system, wireless Bluetooth connectivity. The interior comes in an oyster white Dakota leather with the black and platinum trim. Fully electric windows, heated seats, automatic headlights, automatic rain sensor wipers, keyless push button start ignition. The BMW SOS service is also included, and many other extras. Now that's just a quick look around this 2015 BMW 5 Series 520D SE Saloon. If you have any questions about this car, please feel free to visit us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.